Today's recipe is called the Atama Soup. There are different ways of preparing the Atama Soup, and this method is one of the simplest methods. So let's dive in. So the first thing you do is you boil your stockfish, your cow skin, your beef together. What I did here is that I added some water to the pot so that it can all boil together. So the next step is prepare your melon. This the Nigerian word is called the Egusi. Then you add your palm oil to the pot. Add some onions. Then add your egusi or melon. Then the next thing is that you add your beef stock. Just add a little bit of beef stock and stir together. The reason is that this enables me to measure the quantity of salt in the soup. Then while I stir together, I decided to add more beef stock to the soup. Then after that, I added my stockfish, my beef, and my cow skin. Then you stir together. Don't forget to add some water. Then cover the pot and allow everything to boil. Then open the pot again and stir together. Then add your fresh pepper and more onions to the soup. If you notice, while I was adding my pepper and my onions, I added my water leaf. Then after adding your water leaves, add your crayfish. Don't be selfish with your crayfish. Then after doing this, cover the pot. After a minute or two, add your seasoning cubes. Then cover the pot. After a minute, then open the pot and stir together. Then add your salt. Be careful with your salt though, so that your soup does not get so salty that people would run away from your soup. Now it's time to add our atama leaves. Now, one thing about this atama leaf is that this leaf is very strong because it is dried. So look at the way I am doing it right now and follow the step. Then leave it like this and cover the pot. Then after 2 minutes, open the pot and stir together. Atama soup is ready. I'm going to be showing you another method of cooking Atama soup. So stay tuned and please do not forget to like, share, and hit the subscribe button for more recipe. See you guys later. Bye.